So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super awesome. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch YouTube in your car or any other app. So as you can see guys, we have the CarBridge right here with all the settings so we can change our Wi-Fi, which is obviously very nice, but mainly we have this thing right here that says app whitelist, bridge to CarPlay, and we have YouTube, Netflix, Waze, Safari. You can add other ones as well. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool. We've also got cast settings here, which is crazy, and then of course in the settings you can read. You can do dark mode, light mode, whatever. But anyway guys, let's download it and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So it's actually pretty easy. Just go over to this website. It's called tweakmod.com and go to the search bar, type in CarBridge, press install. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step, and you got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. 100% free to do from official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it because a lot of people don't know, but it's really easy, so you guys should be all set. So yeah, we'll just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool. So if you guys are broke and you can't afford, like, I don't know what apps CarBridge is, but this will make you free access to YouTube in your car, any app you want. So as you can see at the end, it says missing files. So we do need to download 2 of these apps. So like Underdog says download and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. I could do this 8-Ball Fever. This one you got to search it up and then download it. And then Evertail is download and run for 30 seconds as well. And then we've got Color Block. This one you got to reach level 25. It's kind of hard. Lucky Match is another game where you have to reach level 11. So overall, a lot of them are easy. Some of them aren't. But that's the website, guys, tweakmod.com. So if you guys do want to get CarBridge and then have YouTube in your car, you have got to try this out. It's super awesome.